Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. I'm so excited for today's video because it is a long time coming. This video was months in the making. This item that I'm about to unbox for you today was something that I ordered in January. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, if you're a subscriber, you already know the story. But if you're not, let me take this moment to introduce myself. My name is Jessica Flores. I am a lifestyle creator. I create content about fashion, beauty, DIY projects, luxury, family travel, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications on for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule. So if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or you're new here, let me catch you up on this saga right here. Before the official launch of Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami's Chapter 1 drop, I mentioned that there was one item that I wanted, just one item. Now that one item that I wanted seemed to be something that a lot of people wanted, so it was very difficult for me to get my hands on. I wound up buying sneakers, I wound up buying a couple of SLGs. Now after a couple of weeks after the launch, my sales associate said that I could pre-order this one item that I wanted, and so I submitted my order. I believe the exact date was January 18th. I'm filming today's video on May 3rd. This item actually came in on Tuesday, but I was super sick and I missed the email. But after I started feeling better, I opened up my computer, was catching up on emails, and then I did the thing that I've been doing almost every week since January, and it was logging into my Louis Vuitton account and checking the order status. And to my surprise, I saw that it was ready for collection at the 57th Street store. So I immediately looked through my emails, saw the email from Tuesday saying that it was ready to be picked up, and so I did. I picked this bag up on Friday, and I'm so excited to finally share this item that I have wanted, ordered, and paid for months. Here it is. Unfortunately, the 57th Street store seems to be out of most of the special packaging, so I got this in a regular shopping bag. And here is the box. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know what this item is, but I'm so excited. I am so excited. I did get a little bit of the ribbon. That was the only thing that they could offer me at the store that had the special Murakami packaging. Here it is, here it is. If you haven't watched my videos and you don't know what this item is, let me know in the comments what you think it is. Okay, are you ready? Here she is. Here she is. Finally, here she is. This is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami 20th anniversary Nano Speedy in the white multicolor canvas. She's so cute. She is so cute, so beautiful. I honestly can't believe it. I was fully expecting this to be canceled. I was not very hopeful about this. As I mentioned in a previous video, I had pre-ordered the Louis Vuitton and Timberland boots from Pharrell's collection, last fall, winter, and they were pending validation for months and months and months. And after I finally inquired a couple of times, they finally sent me that email saying that it was canceled, that they couldn't fulfill my order and it was canceled. I would not have been surprised if that happened with this order. I'm just thrilled. Okay, let's see. Okay, so inside the bag is the adjustable vachetta leather strap. And then also we have the key clay here. Very, very cute. And then you attach this to the exterior. There is this tag now attached to this bag. When I first saw this, I couldn't believe it because so many counterfeits would come with these tags attached to the bags, but now it's official. They're doing it. They're attaching these bags. So here we have the model number. And then let's attach this to it. Some people like this, some people don't. I'm just happy that it is at least removable. So if you don't like it, you don't have to wear it. If you do, then you can always add it. I just want to see the whole thing. So let's push her through. There she is. So cute. I did have a Speedy I believe they called it the HL. It was like nano size, but I love that they're making these now in modern versions with the strap, because you could still use it just like this, or you can attach the strap to it and have it be a hands-free moment. So you could do it over the shoulder or crossbody. I will probably wear this crossbody. She's so pretty. Oh, I love her. I love her so much. Gosh, so long. It took so long for her to get here, but I'm so glad that she finally is. Keeping it a little loose by just strapping it onto the handle, but you could also do this on the ring right here. Yeah, I love her so much. Finally, I can't wait to wear her. I'm gonna wear her a ton this spring and summer. I just know it. In fact, I think I'm gonna wear her next week for an event that I have with YouTube. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, I can't believe it. The wait is over. She's finally here. Wow, love it. I love it. I'm so excited. Let me know what you think. I mean, we've talked about this collection so much on my channel, and the multiple drops. The cherries is coming soon. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, are you shopping that collection? I mentioned that I'm pretty much over these limited edition Takashi Murakami collections. I'm over it. This left such a terrible taste in my mouth. The wait for months and months for something that I paid for. It was just, and then no information, no communication. A lot of the things have really frustrated me, so I'm sort of over it. I have a couple of SLGs. At first I thought I wanted to get a handbag from the collection, from this last chapter 3 cherries collection, because I do love the cerise, or the original cerise collection. I do love the canvas and the cherries, but after all of this, I think I'm just gonna stick to one, maybe a couple of SLGs. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I'm not jumping over hoops. I am not going to fret about it. I'm just kind of over it, but we'll see. Famous last words, right? All right, thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know your thoughts on this piece, on the collections, on the drops, the upcoming drop, the cherry collection. Are you guys planning to shop it? What are you planning to get? Are you skipping it? Why? Let me know in the comment section below, because I'm chismosa and nosy that way, so I would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it informative, or if I just entertained you for a few minutes, please give this video a like. It really helps me out here on YouTube. It just lets the algorithm know that my videos are good and worth watching, and it'll share it with more users. If you did enjoy this video, then you might want to check out this one. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.